Oh my god. Alright, let's get this over with. So it is 7:30 in the morning right now. I have just pulled an all-nighter. I have not slept yet. I wanted to make this tutorial today for all the video content creators out there, specifically the independent video content creators. Whether you produce stuff for YouTube or make stuff for an OnlyFans, whatever the case may be, I am going to walk you through a project management board that goes from concept creation, like from idea brainstorming, all the way through to shooting your content, editing your content, uploading your content, scheduling your content, and marketing your content. You are also going to be getting a peek into my personal workflow. Everything I'm going to be using in this video is stuff that is actually my workflow. So stay tuned. I'm going to be giving you the blueprint. First of all, content creation is not easy. Not only do you have to come up with the ideas, you have to actually shoot them. Shooting in itself is a whole thing where you have to set up camera, lighting, you have to make sure your makeup or wardrobe or whatever, all the things that go into creating a video. And then you also have to worry about all of the editing, which, is a whole nother process in and of itself. And then on top of that, you have to upload, you have to schedule, and then you also have to market your content. You can't just upload it once and leave it there. You have to, blast it on social media and all that good stuff. So if you are an independent content creator and you have to do all of this work by yourself, I have created a workflow that will hopefully make this a little bit easier on you, make it a little bit less stressful, make it go a little smoother so that you aren't so overwhelmed. Also, if you are a video creator who makes content in Final Cut Pro X, I have created an amazing tutorial for how to edit video like a wizard in Final Cut Pro X. So I'll put the link to that below. Check that out as well. I really hope that this workflow helps you guys. I am about to walk you through it. If you find this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will be uploading more of my content creation knowledge as the videos come to me. Yeah, happy content creating. I really hope that this helps you guys pump out more content and do it less stressfully as well. The first thing you guys are going to need to do is make an account in Asana. Asana is a project management app. It is totally free. So basically you are going to make an account in Asana and then you're going to eventually get to this screen where you can make a new project. So click new project and you are going to want to click blank project. You name your project. I'm going to Findom workflow. You're going to want to click board for default view. This is very, very important. You want to click board and you're going to create the project. Now you see it comes with these default categories right here: to do, in progress, done. You are going to start renaming these categories so that you can make it applicable to your entire clip workflow. I am just opening this to show you guys how to make the basic workboard, but my complete Findom project management workflow is actually right over here. And here you can see the columns are very, very important. So this is brainstorm, and under this column, I write all of my clip ideas and titles and all that good stuff. Each board right here gets one idea. And if you click on that board, let's say for Mega Loser, I can go ahead and create subtasks for it, like creating tags. I can write the description over here in the description. There are a whole bunch of ways to customize this so that you make it, for you, but we're going to just briefly overview the columns here. So brainstorm, this is where all my ideas get put in, one idea per board. And then shoot, and then you see how there are steps and boards under the shoot category. There is setup, wardrobe, hair and makeup. So under setup, says set, lighting, camera, and mic. And you know that there are subtasks there because of this little area right here. It says 3 and then it has this little bullet list. That means there are tasks within that board. So next thing is going to be clips. The clips that are finished are going to be in this column. Next to it is going to be an edit column. And this is a very important column because it's going to walk you through the entire editing process. Let's say I am going to edit this next clip called Compulsive Hate Stroke. I am going to cut the raw footage and mark it up. I'm going to crop it. I'm going to skin perfect and color board it. I'm going to add transitions. I'm going to correct audio and lay music. I'm going to watermark it. I'm going to give it an introduction, a title, an end screen. I'm going to export stills, export the MP4 file, and make GIFs. So each clip moves through the process. Let's say I am cutting in the raw footage and markup, I can move that here. So basically I can know at a glance what stage clips are in the production process. So let's say I've edited this clip and I'm going to upload it. This is my upload category. File transfer protocol to C4S and IWC. These are sites that I upload to. And you can move your board over there because you're about to upload it. And these are the other platforms that you would need to upload to. You basically go through these one by one and upload it to all the sites. And then next to upload, while these files are all uploading, I move into copywriting, where I am writing out the title, the description, and the tags. And then we get into scheduling. If you have a lot of platforms to post to, I think you'll find this very, very useful. What I do is I make a column for each platform, and I also put up top the times that I'm going to always schedule them so that they're regular. I like to post AVN every Tuesday at 12 p.m., everything IWC Thursday 3 p.m., etc., 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 and you can just schedule that way. Under the platform columns, you're going to have the content you have to post. Like for AVN, I have to make posts, I have to upload clips, I have to schedule tweets for them. So let's say I am done uploading this and it's going into copywriting, I would put that there. And then let's say I scheduled it to AVN and I created all of my posts that are related to this clip. I uploaded this clip to AVN and, made it, scheduled it. And then I also created and scheduled a tweet that is going to market this clip. And I just do that for every platform going down the line, from AVN, IWC, MV, C4S, NF. And then we go into marketing. And marketing, it just depends on how heavily you market and where you market. But for me, I use TweetDeck to schedule my tweets because it's free and pretty sweet tool. It has a lot of other rich functions that are great for marketing and interacting and all that good stuff. Highly recommend TweetDeck. And then I also have email list, where if I feel like blasting an email to all of my subscribers about the most recent uploads or clips or whatever's going on. And then once this clip has made it all the way through this entire process, there is a finished column. Like if this was actually finished, it would have all this copy here. So any copy that I would want for the clip would be here. Any tags would be here. And then in addition, I can also set a date for it, for when it's going to schedule. And that way, this gets really handy. You can go into calendar, and your calendar will show you when everything is scheduled to go, all in one glance, just by looking at the calendar. So you can just go and work your way down these columns, moving the clip or idea from, brainstorm conception into shooting, clips that are created, editing, uploading, copywriting, scheduling, all the way down to marketing and finished products. You can edit this and customize it to any way you want. It is going to be super easy for you to customize it to other things. Just to give you an example, I will show you my YouTube board. So for YouTube, these are all my content ideas or videos that I'm about to shoot. I also have the months here so that I can move a project like, okay, I'm going to schedule this for May, or I'm going to schedule this for June, and I will plan my content calendar in these columns. I will also have columns for a script, whether I'm filming it and, you know, what I have to film for it. Okay, so for editing, it looks really similar to the Findom board and the editing process for that, cutting raw footage, cropping, etc., etc., etc. All the way down to exporting the files, rendering and uploading them, and then creating thumbnails for them. And then SEO is where I have to do the copywriting for this. I do the SEO after I export the clip and everything. Or basically while the clip is exporting and rendering and uploading, I start writing the SEO. And then this category is posted, which means all of these posts are live, and I can mark these things easily by going into this, hitting Tab T, and that'll bring up all of your keywords, and you can tag it live and choose a color for your tags. So when you go to look at it in the calendar, it will be highlighted in the color you chose. It makes it really easy. Just to give you an example of a YouTube video I did, how to edit video in Final Cut Pro like a wizard. This is the description, the copy that I put into the box, and then all the way at the bottom it's going to have all the keywords and tags that I want to tag my video. So all of the SEO and copy is right there in that board for that video. And then when you go into calendar, you can see right here all these things in green that show you what is live, because I tagged everything that is live with the keyword, so I know all of these posts are live and up. Alrighty, so I gave you a peek into both my Findom clip workflow and my YouTube workflow at this point. I hope this helps you navigate project management for clip production a whole lot better. I feel like Asana is a great tool for this. There are alternative tools that are similar to this. I've also tried Trello. It works very similarly. I just have a preference for Asana. This is the basic gist of it, and this shows you the power of how you can use Asana to create a workflow. I hope this video helped you guys. I hope it gave you a better handle on the entire content creation process from beginning to marketing, and I hope that you enjoy making content with it. If you like this video or if it helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, leave them below. And yeah, thanks for joining me. Bye, guys.